from these 30 hacks and tips and advices, practices we shared to make me a list so we can start working on our web app. And this list is summarized by categories. I didn't ask it to categorize, but everything on lists is absolutely, as Gemini said, a valuable asset. So look what you have, make a list. We have 30 hacks we produced already from January till today. We want to summarize the early year summary, and we get some tips for content creation, internet training, audience engagement, productivity, and also strategic planning. And what we are going to do in our Roundup Today article, we are going to share a PDF that is called Master Your Visuals, that I selected our tips about video, audio, images. Of course, Peggy is going to vet that. Peggy is a YouTube expert, and after we check what these tips are, we are going to publish it and ask people to subscribe for our newsletter. So we have the first step, using a newsletter from what we already did with our 10 broadcasts, live streams, 3 tips in 10 minutes, 10 topic, and we have to look what we ourselves implemented. So I usually want to see this form we barely used to draw our audience back to us, to tell us some feedback about our tips, and also self-check